Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove objects from videos in mobile using InShot. So in here, I have this videos right here. So what you need to do is just take a screenshot of this video. And after you do that, you can open your browser and find the object remover and just use any remove object removers that you want. For example, I'm going to just use this one, the photo room. You can select the picture. Here I'm going to use this pictures right here. You can see I've already do a screenshot. This is the picture. Sorry, let's redo that. So you can just brush off the so let's do it again. You can just brush off the objects that you want to remove. You can adjust the brush size in here. So I'm going to select the objects that I want to remove, just like this. And now the object is gone. You can just click on download and then open InShot again. After it's successfully downloaded, you can just go back to InShot and here click on the PIB, choose the photos that you've already removed its background. Okay, after this you can just fit the size or make it full screen, and now you can adjust the duration to match with the videos like this. And what you need to do next is find mask. Now click on the shape that you want. So I'm going to go with the shapes right here. You can just adjust the shape to match with the object that you want to remove. You can click on a check icon and that's it. Now, so you can just adjust it again if it doesn't right. So this will be the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.